Look, if marketing hasn't crushed your soul at least once, you probably haven't played this game at the top level. You know the feeling. Pouring everything into one channel, obsessing over clicks or leads, then watching it all stall or tank without warning. The frustration is real. You build momentum, then boom. Saturation kills your reach. Algorithms shift. Maybe an ad account gets banned, or your audience just tunes out. It's like running on a treadmill that suddenly stops working. You're stuck with this gnawing question. Why isn't my business growing like it should? Why do my competitors keep pulling ahead when I'm grinding harder, smarter, longer? The ugly truth is simple. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a trap. One channel might give you a spark. But scaling, that needs layers. It needs muscle on many fronts. One channel dies, your whole growth dies too. That's why multi-channel marketing isn't some trendy buzzword. It's the only way to escape the cage you didn't even see closing around you. Now, here's what most people get wrong with multi-channel marketing. They think blasting the same message everywhere works. It doesn't. It's wasting your time and money. Different channels demand different approaches. What makes someone swipe up on Instagram won't make them pick up the phone from your cold email. You have to customize your story, your call to action, your entire angle every time. That's not easy. But if you want to scale, you have to get this right. You need sharp tactics that are built for each platform's psychology and culture. And here's a brutal tip. Stop chasing vanity metrics. Likes, shares, impressions. They don't pay the bills. What you want is real engagement that leads to conversions, partnerships, growth. Measure what matters and double down on what works, then double down again. Here's what to start doing right now. Build a map of your channels and what role each plays like pieces of a machine. Email is your direct contact. It's intimate, personal. Social media? That's awareness and buzz building. Paid ads? Pure velocity for testing and speed. Content marketing? The long game for trust and authority. And one more crucial thing. Don't just scatter budget evenly across them. Put more where you see early traction and pull back fast where you don't. Be ruthless. Businesses lose money because they're sentimental with sinking campaigns. If a channel doesn't move the needle quickly, dump it and reinvest elsewhere. Pull no punches. That's how winners grow. Here's another thing. Almost nobody tells you. The magic happens when you make your channels talk to each other in smart ways, not just run parallel. For example, use social media to warm up cold leads, then push them into email sequences that feel personal, that track and adapt to their clicks and behavior. Retarget those who watch your videos or engage, but only with a message that fits where they are in their journey. Think of your marketing like a relay race. Each channel passes the baton better, leads closer and closer to a sale or deal. Most founders treat their channels like separate islands. That kills scale. And listen, none of this works unless you nail the human stuff underneath. Real connection. Real understanding of your audience's pain points, not just demographics. People remember stories, emotions, solutions to problems that burn them. Find the scars behind their frustrations. Speak to that. Stop pushing bullshit features. Start talking about how you fix the mess they're stuck in daily. That's what makes every channel explode with energy. Until you know this, multi-channel is just noise. Finally, scale is not about doing more. It's about doing smarter and faster with focus. Multi-channel marketing is your power play only if you operate like a laser, not a shotgun. Get disciplined, measure everything, tweak constantly, ruthlessly kill what doesn't work, and connect your channels like a system. Because this is the tool that breaks you out of slow growth and into exponential expansion. Ignore this, and you're just spinning wheels, burning money, and losing ground. Embrace it, and you unlock what most never will: real, unstoppable growth. So stop wasting time. Map, test, link, optimize, scale. The choice is yours. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.